Here on the backside of Decatur Lake, here at just a boat ramp landing, and see if we don't find anything. It's Father's Day, so we're going to try a couple different spots here, see how it don't go, and see what happens. Maybe we'll do good, find us some interesting things, a couple lures or something maybe, who knows? I don't know. Gun would be nice, huh, Hunter? We haven't found a gun yet. That'd be all right at some point, or him maybe whenever he slips and falls in. Say hi. Wave. Say hi. Say hi. Hi to the camera. Hi, everybody at home. Happy Father's Day. Huh? Yes, good. Watch something else. Well, that was on the first cast there. Swivel, fishing hook. Bunch of nails. We got a little weight off of a throw net. Oh, another fishing hook. And a screw, some more nails.
Look at all these.
Wow, that was all in one cast?
That was just this cast. These two I just picked up off what you just
That's
saw.
a lot. Comes out to find a pair of sunglasses instead. Nothing magnetic on them, just found them on the bank. Okay, we haven't had much luck here, but a bunch of nails and this little guy falling in. So we're gonna move on to the next spot, maybe go back to one we've been at before where we've had some better luck in the past. So let's see how it goes there. Okay, here we are at another set of boat ramps. We're gonna see how we do here if we can't find anything. Well, looks like so far nail, washer, screw, sort of pin, and another washer, and a bunch of little trash. Looks like another little washer, lock washer. Yeah, guys. Whew, sticks right to it. Oh, off somebody's hitch. Like somebody was having a bad day and broke their ball. Hitch right off the back end of their truck. Ha, wonder how they got their boat back home that day. And I had to call a buddy there. What is this? Some sort of magnetic rock. And some bottle cap. Some more small little trash. Needle nose vice grips. Into the bucket. I think I got something. I do have something. You don't know what that is.
Maybe step up on a boat?
Something to adjust for tension on. Tighten on something, a bracket of some sort.
Wow.
Anybody knows, leave a comment below. Looks like so far just a bunch of nothing. Oh, we found a socket. What is that? 5/8 deep well or something? Throw that in there. What do we got here? Looks like a U-bolt broke. Oh no! Oh man, I just had a license plate. I lost it. Ugh. I don't know what the hell that is. Huh. What's this? Oh, another washer and a bottle cap. All right, guys. Here we are at round 3 here. Chew can lid, I suppose. Oh, here it comes. Oh, I got it. I think I got it. It's on there. What is it? What is it? Oh. Just a long flat rod on that one.
Oh no!
Slide it off. You should have shoes on. This is like not a thing for no shoes,
Yeah, I know,
no
but-
gloves, no shirt.
Never seen one.
Like that big, like them, I can't remember what they're called, but you blow them, you know, and they go everywhere. But like little dandelion you've ever seen, man. It's like big as my fist. That's massive.
Not big.
That was huge, man.
That one would be fun to tell someone to blow it and then shove it in their mouth.
Oh, Tobias, blow. Just say hi.
Hi.
Happy Father's Day, everybody. Yeah. Oh, another pipe. Oh, watch your toes. It's a big pipe. I know, that's big.
Oh!
Oh, that's a come along.
Let's see. Is that a snail? Is there something still living in it?
Oh yeah, I think we both got it, because when you let go, I have it now and it's heavy. There it is. Oh, I lost it. There it is. Here it comes. Oh, got it. Got it. Oh. Wow. Ugh.
Back over.
All the way to the bottom.
Right here, I got another one. Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry about the shortcut off there at the end. I was a little goofy and forgot our extra battery and my dive bag from our canoe trip last weekend. We've tried to do a couple videos here and there, and sometimes it just don't always turn out, so we don't always post the videos. And goofy me, I forgot to grab the battery, so we kind of needed to go anyway. It was starting to get late here this afternoon to get back home. We got other plans, but what we do have, what we did find is some bottle caps, some screws, and in the very beginning we found a crap ton of screws. We just went ahead and threw all those away. That was a lot in my bucket, and it kept getting stuck to our magnets, so that was just kind of a pain to keep taking on and off, so we just left them there. Some more nails, some washers, little lock washers, got a socket there with, it looks like a weight, fishing weight or something's jammed inside there. I might try to get that out. Hunter got a spoon, and let's see, I found these needle nose pliers. This chunk of metal here, that was hard to pull off the magnet there. And I had a license plate that was pinned between this and the magnet, and I lost it and I could not find it for the life of me. So that's yeah, that's lost there. Looks like a U-bolt that broke. Don't know what that is. And somebody ripped off their ball hitch. Yeah, so somebody was having a bad day that day. As always, guys, thanks for watching.